I want you to take a look at all of these deadfalls here, all these decaying trees. Do you notice how they're all about the same diameter? There's a reason for that. Back in 1996, we had an event called Ice Storm. And Ice Storm didn't only knock down power lines, but it broke the tops out of trees. These trees were at the wrong size, in the wrong place, at the wrong time. An entire generation of these ponderosa pine trees weren't strong enough to stand up and hold up, and they lost about the top half of their height, fell down. So a whole generation of ponderosa pine trees was pretty well wiped out here in the Dishman Hills by an ice storm. And so now you see these laying all over the place as a reminder about the power of a natural event, an ice storm. So keep your eye out as you walk through the hills and see if you see more examples of this as you travel.